Have you ever found yourself overwhelmed by the complexities of managing your restaurant? From juggling multiple tasks to ensuring seamless operations, it can be a daunting challenge. But what if there was a solution that could simplify your life and elevate your business? Today, we're diving into the world of TouchBistro, a leading restaurant management system that's revolutionizing the industry. In this video, we'll explore the incredible value that TouchBistro products can bring to restaurant owners and operators like you. Understanding TouchBistro. Let's start by understanding what TouchBistro is and how it works. At its core, TouchBistro is a comprehensive software platform designed to streamline various aspects of restaurant management. From POS, point of sale, systems to inventory control and employee management, TouchBistro offers a suite of tools that can significantly enhance your operations. Key benefits for restaurant owners. Enhanced efficiency. One of the most significant benefits of TouchBistro is its ability to boost efficiency throughout your restaurant. With features like automated order entry, real-time reporting, and mobile ordering capabilities, TouchBistro helps you streamline processes and reduce errors. Improved customer experience. A satisfied customer is a loyal customer. TouchBistro can help you deliver exceptional customer experiences by providing tools like table management, split checks, and customer loyalty programs. By streamlining the ordering and payment process, you can ensure that your guests have a positive dining experience. Cost savings. In today's competitive market, cost-saving measures are essential for the long-term success of your restaurant. TouchBistro can help you reduce costs by streamlining operations, minimizing waste, and improving inventory management. Data-driven decision-making. TouchBistro provides you with valuable data insights that can help you make informed decisions about your business. From sales analysis to labor management, the data collected by TouchBistro can be used to identify trends, optimize operations, and drive growth. Scalability. Whether you're managing a small neighborhood eatery or a bustling chain restaurant, TouchBistro can scale to meet your needs. The platform is designed to accommodate businesses of all sizes, ensuring that you have the tools you need to succeed. Specific use cases. To illustrate the value that TouchBistro can bring to your restaurant, let's explore some specific use cases. Inventory management. TouchBistro's inventory management features can help you track stock levels, minimize waste, and optimize purchasing decisions. By having real-time visibility into your inventory, you can ensure that you always have the right ingredients on hand. Employee management. TouchBistro's employee management tools can help you schedule shifts, track labor costs, and manage employee performance. By streamlining these processes, you can improve efficiency and reduce labor-related expenses. Reporting and analytics. TouchBistro provides a variety of reporting and analytics tools that can help you gain valuable insights into your business. By analyzing data on sales, customer behavior, and employee performance, you can identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions. Testimonials from satisfied customers. To hear directly from restaurant owners who have benefited from TouchBistro, let's listen to some testimonials. Testimonial 1. Restaurant owner's name. From Restaurant name shares how TouchBistro has helped them improve efficiency and reduce costs. Testimonial 2. Restaurant owner's name. From Restaurant name discusses how TouchBistro has helped them enhance the customer experience and drive sales. Testimonial 3. Restaurant owner's name. From Restaurant name explains how TouchBistro has helped them make data-driven decisions and optimize their operations. In conclusion, TouchBistro offers a wide range of benefits for restaurant owners and operators. From enhanced efficiency and improved customer experience to cost savings and data-driven decision-making, TouchBistro can help you take your business to the next level. If you're ready to unlock the potential of your restaurant, it's time to explore TouchBistro. Visit their website or contact their sales team to learn more about how TouchBistro can help you achieve your goals. With that said, thanks for watching. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of the value that TouchBistro products can provide to restaurant owners and operators. Until next time, happy managing.